All right, very good morning to us. Today we would like to go through on the topic of practical electricity, Unit 19. So let's start. We will focus on the first part. The first part is to describe the use of heating effects of electricity in appliances. So we do know that electricity is being used everywhere, and they are used in a lot of our household appliances. So what are the uses of electricity? We can take a look here. Electricity is most commonly used in electrical heating, lighting, and even in motors. There are many electrical appliances which may make use of the heating effect of electric current. So here we are going to do with the heating effect. Okay, and three common household items will be your electric iron, your immersion heaters, kettles, and maybe even the cookers. In this case, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. So the heating elements used in these devices are usually made of nichrome wires, so using the material of nichrome. Nichrome is used as a heating element as it has a high resistance, high melting point, and it does not oxidize easily. So anything that got to do with heating, usually they will use nichrome. Here, so now under the did you know here, we are looking at another effect. Previously above here, we are looking at the heating effect. So now we will be looking at for light, to convert into light energy. So from electrical energy into light energy. So there are three types of lamps here. One that got to do with filament. This is the old school one. Another one is fluorescent. Another one is called LED. So what we want to look at is to compare in terms of how the energy usage is like. So if you were to buy a lamp now, most likely you would like to buy an LED one. Why? Because for every power, this is power. You see all of the powers are the same. The LED lamp is usually much brighter as compared to the filament. Okay, at the same time, it is more durable. It has a longer lifespan of use. You can use for 30,000 hours, but the filament can only use for 1,000. However, there are disadvantages. To produce a LED is relatively high cost to produce it. Whereas for a filament lamp is not good. Why? Because only a small percentage of the energy is supplied and converted into light. The rest will be wasted as heat energy. So most of it is used as heat energy. So that's why it's not efficient. So slowly, most of us are phasing out the filament lamp. Now, how about for fluorescent? Yes, fluorescent is able to give the same brightness as about 6,000 as compared to LED or so. However, the usage hours is lesser, and at the same time, it contains mercury vapor, which means that it may be toxic if it's broken or if it's not disposed of correctly. Okay, so these are the different ways of different lamps that we can use if we are trying to convert electrical energy to light energy. Okay, otherwise we will end off here for the heating element. All right, thank you.